we're going to talk about the communication model. Communication models show how people send and receive messages. They help us to understand how information flows and how we communicate with others. These are three main types. First, the linear model, which is a one-way, like watching TV. Second, the interactive model, a two-way with a delay like texting. Lastly, the third one, the transactional model. Both people are talking at the same time, like a conversation. These models make it easier to understand how communication works in different situations.
This is an example of linear communication. Watching a Senate hearing. The linear communication model is one way. A sender sends a message through the channel to the receiver, and the process ends there. There is no feedback from the receiver. So this is the example of interactive communication, which is sending a message. The interactive communication model involves two-way communication, where the receiver can provide a feedback. However, this model shows communication as step-by-step process where feedback is not instant. And lastly, the transactional model. The transactional model sees communication as a dynamic process where both participants act as both senders and receivers simultaneously. It acknowledges the communication is ongoing and involves shared experiences. That's all. Thank you for watching.
Yeah!